Next is free electron defined. These are energy level diagram. We know that for a metal containing n atoms, there will be n allowed energy levels in each band. As per the Pauli's exclusion principle, each energy level can accommodate maximum of 2 electron, one with spin up and one with spin down. That is according to the Pauli exclusion principle. So these are energy levels. These are vacant energy level, and these energy levels are occupied by electrons. Okay, here we easily defined, that is Fermi energy and Fermi level as follows. The Fermi energy is the corresponding energy occupied, highest occupied level at 0 degree absolute temperature is called Fermi energy, and energy level is referred to as Fermi level. So Fermi energy is denoted as EF. So based on the diagram, there is to be defined Fermi energy and Fermi level. Next is statistics. So statistics is classified into 3 types. One is Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, second one Bose-Einstein statistics, and Fermi-Dirac statistics. Okay, for exam point of view, here we are discussing only Fermi-Dirac statistics. Okay, so Bose-Einstein statistics, that is deals with the particles having no spins. Okay, there is, and the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, there is particles. That statistics deals with the particles like of integral spins. Okay, but they are Fermi-Dirac statistics that deals with the particles like electron or atom, etc. These particles are called Fermi particles or fermions. Okay, ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸು ನಮಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆಟಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಫರ್ಮಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್. The Fermi-Dirac statistics, here consider number density of electrons as a function of energy in the permitted range of energy values. That is called as Fermi-Dirac distribution. Fermi-Dirac distribution, there is probability function represented by f of e. This is probability function f of e, that a given energy state with energy E is occupied at a steady temperature T is given by f of E, that is probability function. It is exists in between the range 0 and 1. ಈ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯ, between these two value, for probability function is exist. Okay, so probability function, it is exist in between 0 and 1. So suppose f of E is equal to 0, it means 0% probability of an electron occupied at energy levels. It is explained by the energy levels. So here this is Fermi energy level. So below energy levels and above Fermi energy, all energy levels. So this is f of E. Okay, suppose f of E is equal to 0, it means 0% probability occupied at energy, Fermi energy levels, and f of E is equal to 1, it means 100% probability of all energy levels occupied by electrons. That means below energy levels. These are below energy levels. All energy levels occupied by electrons. Okay. And f of E is equal to 0.5. So 0.5 means it is 50%. 50% all energy levels, probability of occupation is 50% at the Fermi energy level, and f of E is equal to 0. That means above energy levels, all energy levels are unoccupied by electrons. F of E is equal to 1. That means below Fermi energy levels, all energy levels are occupied by electrons. Okay. So this case we will discuss in below that. Consider f of E. This is expression of the Fermi-Dirac statistics. Okay, its derivation is not necessary for exam point of view. Just you take equation, that is probability function f of E is equal to 1 by e to the power e minus ef by kt plus 1. Here E is the energy level, EF is the Fermi energy, K is Boltzmann constant, T is an temperature plus 1. That equation is, keep in your mind, it is important equation. Based on the equation, next we will solve some problem also. F of E is called the Fermi factor and is defined as follows. This Fermi factor is probability of occupation. Probability means what? Either it may be present or it may be absent. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ probability concept. Probability of occupation of given energy state for a metal in thermal equilibrium. Okay. So for a thermal equilibrium, given energy levels, there is which one is occupied, which one is unoccupied. The probability, that point is probability of occupation of a given energy state for a metal in thermal equilibrium, that is called Fermi factor.